Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Let's go ahead and talk tropics. We've got quite a bit going on out there. It is the busiest part of the hurricane season. So we're going to talk about Gordon and we're going to talk about Florence. But first, before we get to that, we're going to talk about this other disturbance that's coming off the coast of Africa. The National Hurricane Center gives us a high chance of development over the next 5 days, somewhere in here. But this is between 2,500 to 3,000 miles away from Flagler County. So really nothing for us to be worried about right at this point in time. Let's go and take a look at the other things going on out there. Got Tropical Storm Gordon right on the edge of being a hurricane, but it is moving away from us, moving towards the north central Gulf Coast. So we got some hurricane and tropical storm warnings flying over there. And we'll take a look at Florence. Florence is staying out in the central Atlantic Ocean, and it could maybe bring some swells and some bigger surf to our coastline, perhaps at the end of this week into the weekend. But as far as the storm itself, at least right now, looks to stay well offshore from Flagler County. So a quick review of the tropics. No local concerns at this time. Gordon is moving away from us. Florence is very far away. A new system has a good chance of developing, but is also very far away. And again, at this point in time, no immediate local concerns. So let's go and take a look at our local weather. Now, we've been in this onshore wind flow pattern that's going to stay with us with a risk of a shower or a storm along the coast. They might come in off the ocean before sunrise or develop right just in from the beach after sunrise, but generally a chance of showers or storms right along the beaches in the mornings, and then activity shifting inland in the afternoon, becoming more numerous on the Gulf side of the state. And of course, there's still the risk of the odd shower or storm blowing in from the ocean at any time during the day or night, but again, more likely along the coast in the mornings. So looking at overview, what to expect here in Flagler County as we go through the next several days. Daily showers and storms will be with us, a chance of them almost every morning along the coast and inland in the afternoon. But again, one or two could pop up from the ocean anytime during the day or during the nighttime hours, whenever it feels like it. It'll be a little bit drier on Wednesday. Some drier air gets into the picture. Then as some more moisture and another little local upper level disturbance begins to approach the area, we're going to start to see rain chances increase once again as we go towards the end of the week. We're not expecting any tropical storms out of it, but you can definitely notice an uptick in showers and storms as we go towards the end of the week. And just a reminder that any shower, any storm could be a little squally, could produce dangerous lightning and torrential downpours. So again, a close review now. Taking a look at the morning activity, expect risk of showers or storms along the coast in the morning, maybe not so much on Wednesday, and that activity progresses inland in the afternoons with the better chances chiefly being west of Bunnell. But again, we cannot rule out a shower or storm along the beaches, as other showers and storms could develop over those warm Atlantic waters and slide on in at any time of the day or night. So the rest of today, scattered showers and storms chiefly along the coast in the morning, inland in the afternoon, high temperatures in the upper 80s, a little bit cooler along the beaches, warmer as you go inland at night, low right near 75 degrees and a bit warmer right near the beach. Now Wednesday, you're going to see a little bit more hit or miss showers or storms. There won't be as many of them. Matter of fact, many places may just stay dry. High temperatures in the 80s, lows in the 70s once again. And as we get into Thursday, Friday, things pick up once again, becoming a little bit more unsettled. Showers and storms at any time, again, mostly in the mornings along the coast and then pushing inland during the day. High temperatures in the 80s, lows in the 70s. Now the outlook, chance showers and storms in the early morning along the coast and then inland in the afternoons. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s. Beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet. Surf temperature 82 degrees. Rip current remains at an elevated risk, and UV index is very high. And again, towards the end of the week, you might see that surf number come up a little bit, depending what Florence does. So stay informed. Weather is always changing. Go to flaglercounty.org and hover your mouse over webcams and weather. Get the latest weather information from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you're there so you get the heads up on any big storms. And also, if you have a weather radio, it's a great resource. You can get the latest forecast, you can get the latest bulletins from the National Hurricane Center. You can also go to hurricanes.gov to keep up what's going on in the tropics. That's going to wrap things up in the Emergency Operations Center. Everybody enjoy their week. We'll be back on Friday.